You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know.
Hey, what's going on? Welcome back. Time for a new video. It's gonna be a little different this time. Gonna be another car shopping episode. I'm gonna get a new daily / project. Thing different about this one is I'm going a little bit out of my element. You know, I'm all about the manual life, but I'm gonna actually go look in automatic. I know, yeah, it's painful to me too, but for a good reason. It's not that good of a reason, but my girlfriend's lazy and she doesn't want to learn how to drive manual, and all my cars are manual, so I guess I'm gonna get automatic. But it is a BMW and it is a F30, so I've always wanted F30. I definitely would like a manual one, but I'm fine with the automatic for that kind of car because I need something for real estate, something easy. It's fine. I'm not the type to make excuses and say, oh, I don't drive manual because of traffic, this and that. Like, I honestly don't mind it at all, but it is sometimes easier just to drive automatic. So I mean, it's nice to have one automatic car that can be your go-to. So yeah, I'm waiting on John, and then we're gonna go check that out. Hopefully it turns out good, and we probably won't be getting it today, but we'll have plans to get it if everything checks out good. I have my Carly, got some tools with me. It's suspiciously cheap, so that's my concern with it. But yeah, we'll go check it out, see how it is, see how the dealer is, and see if we can work something out. I felt like the sides, so we had to park in the street because it's not even that low. What the hell? I don't know what happened either, but
oh yeah, there's your mark right there.
Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, look at that fresh fun.
We're gonna charge you for the driveway.
It's pretty clean. Horsepower. What?
Very clean. Except with the sunroof.
What? Oh, it's not shut all the way. Shit. Ooh.
Red stitching though. That's
yeah, no, it has the red all on the door and the seats too. Yeah. They have it listed on their website for $15,500, but on Car Gurus it's $13,500. And so they said they would do the $13,500, which honestly for $335, yeah, it's the cheapest I've ever seen. You know, it has 90,000 on it. That's not even bad.
not even bad.
Yeah. The interior actually looks really nice. Like, I don't really see anything exterior wise that's that bad either. I mean, I would probably get so John's gonna test drive this right here.
I think this is the right choice.
It's a V6.
Yeah, it's a V6. It's not the turbo one.
Yeah.
It's the only thing that sucks.
It's not too much power for him. Just right. Let's see. It's a nice key. It is hot. Engine cool as a slow.
I don't know. Sounds like you need more test drives.
Well, I'll make you run in here and see what happens. What? Move. Go over to play. This is running. Gonna go grab Carly. Hey. What?
What are you doing?
Checking out this car.
Are you by yourself?
Oh, with John. He dropped the list off at work and he was in the area, so.
You what?
He dropped the list off at work and he was in the area.
Which one is this? The second one?
Yeah, the one that showed you. It's very bad, but most of them usually say that. I'm going to go through all of these. Window passenger relay. Harley's just very, very detailed. Infotainment, brightness reduction due to temperature. It's super hot today. Car alarm protection. Engine, exhaust, flat plate, power line open. They took the valve. Must have it so the valve is open all the time. So we just got done checking out the car. What do you think? Out of 10, what do you rate it?
Give it an 8.
8? I would say an 8 too. Like, it was
Not bad.
There was a couple minor things wrong. He said he just replaced it. So we got in and it said the coolant level was low. We checked the coolant level was fine, and he actually told us that he did replace the sensor. We didn't even bring it up, but he said that. I did scan it with Carly, and anyone that's used Carly knows that it throws a bunch of codes for everything. Should have cleared them, but he's gonna take it to BMW, and so when we come back, because I wouldn't get the car. When we come back, whenever he calls us, I'll run the codes again and see what happens. I'll clear them, see what comes back up. He didn't let us test drive because he said you have to be approved. We didn't know if we were going to do cash or financing, so we haven't been approved yet. But next time we come, we'll figure that out. The price is really good on it. Seems like a really good car, and they have like, I know their included warranties probably aren't the best, but it's better than nothing. So yeah, hopefully he gives us a call back and we can work out a deal.